அழுத்துற போறாங்க.
அது ஓகே.
நம்மளையும் உள்ளே கூட மாட்டாங்க.
பரவாயில்ல, அப்புறமேல உள்ள போய்க்கலாம்.
Next we're going to call another sister. Was also a youth some time back. She still looks like a youth. But before that, anybody wants to try and answer my question just now? Except family. Ben, right Ben.
German Shepherd.
I say, the answer is actually German Shepherd. Okay, now would like to invite Sister Kemi.
அரியா 3 வாட்டி நோட்லியா
சும்மா உற்சாகம் கொடுக்கிறதுக்குல. Hi sister, how are you today?
Very fine, thank
Very fine, huh? Okay, it's now your time to share about the youths.
you. I just want to thank God for this day. I want to thank God for this beautiful day God has created for each and every one of us, especially for the youths. I just want to thank, because it's from the bottom of my heart I would really say this, because these youths in Egypt is really a true blessing from God, I will say, because God's hands are upon them from the day this church started. Because we know this, especially Sarah and her family, all the sisters, they were very small when they came into this church, and now they're all grown up, and there are many new youths have come, and they've been a very good and supportive youths for each other, I will say. And one more thing, I want to say three words for them. They're really talented. Because three or 4 days ago, brother told me that I must share about the youths. I was telling, the first thing came to mind was they're really talented. Because they're talented in their music, in decoration, songs, drama, many things. They can really do wonders. They have not gone and learned for all these things, and it just comes from them. It is truly from God, I will say. And today, it has been confirmed, I will say, with the prophecy which God has given just now through the pastor, that it is a talent that God has given to our youths. And you youths, I will just say that you should be thankful to the talent God has given and make mighty use of this talent, and God will take you somewhere. Praise God. And another thing is, they are really a dedicated youths. They are really dedicated, like what Brother Solomon said. They won't see the time. They won't see for anything. They will be there. They'll be there any time of the day you need them. In the time where we celebrate birthdays, they'll be there. In every of our church members' house. In the time of mourning, they will be there. In every celebrations, they are there. They won't say, oh, I've got, youth that has so many things behind them. They don't do so many things. But they, EGF youths, they will be there for all our church members. I just want to thank and praise God for their dedication. And another thing is, they are very committed. For the whatever work which has been given to them, they will commit themselves to do it. They won't see the time, they won't see even they are eating or what, they will do. They won't even see for the cash, they have to take out so much of money to do decoration and to get the costumes. But they will just do because they are really committed. Thank God for that. And another thing, I just want to close with this. They can do this is only because of one thing, because they love God. And they love church. And they want to do the best for the church. I want to praise God for all our youth, and we really love them all. We love you all.
I love you too, Akka.
Thank you Sister Kemi for your sharing.
கேமி அக்கா நம்ம கூட யூத்ஸ்ல ரொம்ப நாளா இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும் யூத்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்காங்க. சம்டைம் அட்வைசரா இருந்திருக்காங்க. அந்த வகைத்துல இந்த நேரத்துல கேமி அக்காக்கு நன்றி சொல்றேன். விட்டுருந்தா நான் அழுதுருப்பேன். டச் பண்ணிட்டாங்கப்பா.
Yeah, I think I also must share some things. They are, one thing is talented. Second, your commitment level is super high. The energy is something that I can't do. Normally you say they are good because you can't do it. These people are really good. They'll go back at 2 o'clock in the morning, go to work, and then come back next day. It goes on for weeks. Sometimes they are really superb. Very high level of energy.
Thank you. EGF வாலிபருக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. அடுத்ததாக தெரியாது உங்களுக்கு. ஓகே, கேர்ள்ஸ் ஆனாங்க, கேர்ள்ஸ் அண்ட் பாய்ஸ் ஆனாங்க. அடுத்தது யார் ஆட போறது? பாய்ஸ். ஒரு சர்ப்ரைஸ் இருக்கு.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.